Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for in the news this week, some fun things for a change. David Rush, who has broken more than 150 Guinness records to promote STEM education, he set the blueberry record, number of blueberries eaten in 1 minute record of 107. The required speed and precision as the rules required him to only use one hand to pick up only one blueberry at a time. Also, a pair of Australian gold diggers revealed they discovered a pair of large gold nuggets that weighed 7.7 pounds, combined an estimated worth of $250,000. A haunted house company in Japan came up with an unusual way to keep the scares going amid the COVID-19 pandemic. They developed a drive-in haunted house. They are a production company specializing in haunted houses and horror events, and launched what it calls the world's first drive-in haunted house as a means of keeping customers and performers safe during the coronavirus outbreak. Look for these houses to appear here in October, and hopefully, if you're interested in going into a haunted house, they will be available for you to use in the States. Have a great day. Stay safe.